Hey, how's everybody doing today? Just want to go over our newest feature. It's our mobile app that is available on Apple and uh, Android. So with this, it has so many cool features. It has a notification center, and I'm just gonna go through it and let you guys take a look as we go through, and I'll explain the different features of it. So here. You have your notifications, and this is your conversations. So all your conversations via email, um, the text messaging, uh, Facebook, everything goes into this little hub here onto your phone, which is really cool because it's one location. So you don't have to switch back and forth to two, three, four different apps. It's all in here for you. Um, and then you can also invoice out of that. You can set up items. So I went through here and set some items up. Um, I had a little difficulties. I was pushing wrong buttons, but if you click in here like seal coating, or crack sealing, 1,200 linear feet of cracks. As again, you're going to see I messed up once again. I forgot to hit the side button, which we'll go over all that with you if you get up on the service. So here it took it, seal coating. I think I did 45 or 25,000 square feet. And then the line striping, I put that in at 1,200 linear feet. So you get your total, and then you can have the customer paid right there at the spot. You can email it. It's nice. You have different payment options. You can take tap on phone, cash, credit card, manual if they give you a check and or bank transfer, or you can just convert it to an invoice and it sends it to them. So it's a pretty cool app. There's a lot more features in here yet. I'm showing to show you. So this here, you can have your calendar sync up with that. Uh, and then this is your contacts. You got your pipelines in here. So if you have your CRM set up, it'll have your pipelines. You got different manual actions, which would be like tasks. Again, here's tasks as well. Invoices, insights, which I'll go into each of these in this video. Reputation management, your products, different documents and contracts. So here's the invoicing. Um, then let's see, this is the insights. I mean, it shows you all your information at your conversion rate, everything, as long as your CRM's set up with that as well. Yeah, it's just full of all kinds of information. This is your task manager. It's really nice. You can put in there different things you need to get done. Reputation management when you send out reviews. Uh, it all shows in there. It'll do the feedback. Everything's on there. Do your responses, products. You can load as many products in as you want. And then this is your document template. You can make up new documents and those things as well. Uh, like I said, it's a really cool app. It's free for anybody. And then this also, you can send emails, book appointments, and create invoices, everything right out of here. Um, so yeah, it's a really cool setup, and it's free for anybody that signs up for our platform. I mean, some people that have apps like these cost 40, 50 bucks a month. We don't charge anything for ours. Uh, so it's just an add-on feature. So if you'd like to get this added on and check out our CRM, give me a call. All right. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.